Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Social media accounts are treasure chests for hackers. They are full of personal information. This information can be used for identity theft. Hackers can also use these accounts to spread scams. They can manipulate stock prices. They can even disrupt businesses. Think about all the information you have on your social media. Your name, birthday, and email address are probably there. You might even share your location or travel plans. Hackers can piece together this information. This helps them build a complete profile of you. Once they have your information, they can use it against you. They can access your bank accounts or credit cards. They can impersonate you online. They can even blackmail you with your own private information.
Open your terminal. First, we'll update our system's package list. Type sudo apt update and press enter. This command connects to your system's software repositories. It downloads the latest information about available packages. Now, type sudo apt upgrade and press enter. This command actually installs the available updates. While this updates, let me explain why system updates are crucial for security tools. Outdated systems might have compatibility issues, and they might lack necessary dependencies for our tools. Now that our system is updated,
Phishing is one of the most common ways hackers try to steal your social media logins. It's a type of online scam where attackers disguise themselves as trustworthy entities to trick you into giving away sensitive information. It's a simple trick, but it works surprisingly well. Many people fall for these scams because the emails and messages look so convincing. They'll send you an email or message that looks like it's from a legitimate company, like your bank or a social media platform. These messages often mimic the style and tone of real communications from these companies. These messages are designed to look real. They use professional language and formatting to make you believe they are genuine. They often use the company's logo and branding. This adds an extra layer of authenticity that can easily fool even the most cautious individuals. They might even include some of your personal information. This could be your name, email address, or even partial account numbers. This makes them seem more convincing. When you see your own details in the email, it can be hard to tell that it's a scam. The message will usually tell you that there's a problem with your account. It might say that there's been suspicious activity or that your account is at risk. They might say your account has been hacked or that you need to update your payment information. This creates a sense of urgency, making you more likely to act quickly without thinking. To fix the problem, they'll ask you to click on a link. This link is designed to look like it leads to a legitimate website. Don't click on that link. It's a trap set by the hackers to lure you into their fake website. It will take you to a fake website. This site is crafted to look exactly like the real one, with similar design and layout. This website looks real, but it's actually controlled by the hackers. They use it to collect your login details. If you enter your login information on this fake website, the hackers will steal it. They can then use your credentials to access your real accounts, causing significant harm. Social engineering is another sneaky way hackers can trick you. It's a method that doesn't rely on breaking through firewalls or cracking passwords. Instead, it targets the most vulnerable aspect of security: human psychology. It relies on human psychology rather than technical skills. By understanding how people think and behave, hackers can craft convincing stories and scenarios that make you lower your guard. Hackers use manipulation and deception to gain your trust. They might pose as a trusted entity, like a bank or a colleague, to make their requests seem legitimate. They then exploit that trust to get what they want, like your login information. This could be through a seemingly harmless request or a more elaborate scheme. They might pretend to be someone you know. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a coworker, making it harder for you to suspect foul play. They could be a friend, a family member, or even a coworker. By mimicking the people you trust, they can more easily manipulate you into doing what they want. They'll contact you through social media or email. These platforms are perfect for social engineering because they allow hackers to reach you directly and impersonate others convincingly. They'll try to build a rapport with you. This might involve casual conversations or sharing common interests to make you feel comfortable. Once they've gained your trust, they'll ask you for a favor. This favor might seem small and insignificant, but it's often the first step in a larger scheme. This favor might be something small, like clicking on a link or sharing your birthday. These small actions can give hackers the information they need to launch more sophisticated attacks. In other cases, hackers use psychological tricks to create a sense of urgency or fear. They might send you an urgent email claiming that your account is compromised. They might tell you that your account is about to be suspended or that you need to act quickly to claim a prize. These messages are designed to make you panic and act without thinking. This pressure can make you act without thinking, which is exactly what the hackers want. By creating a false sense of urgency, they can bypass your usual caution and get you to do something you wouldn't normally do. Malware is short for malicious software. It's a broad term. It covers any software designed to harm your computer or steal your information. Hackers can use malware to steal your social media logins, spy on your activity, or even take control of your device. Malware can be spread in many ways. You might download it accidentally from a malicious website. It could be disguised as a legitimate app. It can even be spread through email attachments. Once malware is on your device, it can operate in the background. You might not even know it's there. It can track your keystrokes, steal your passwords, and collect your personal information. Section 5. Credential stuffing. Testing stolen logins. Credential stuffing is a type of cyber attack. Hackers use stolen usernames and passwords to access other accounts. These stolen logins often come from data breaches. Hackers buy them on the dark web. People often reuse the same passwords across multiple accounts. Hackers know this. They'll take stolen logins and try them on other websites. If you use the same password for your bank account and your social media account, hackers could gain access to both. Credential stuffing is often automated. Hackers use bots to try thousands of login combinations per second. This makes it difficult to detect and prevent. Section 6. SIM swapping, hijacking your phone number. SIM swapping is a sophisticated attack. It targets your mobile phone number. Hackers trick your mobile provider into transferring your phone number to their SIM card. Once they have control of your phone number, they can bypass many security measures. They can receive your calls and text messages. This includes two-factor authentication codes. These codes are often sent via text message. With your phone number, hackers can reset your social media passwords. They can access your financial accounts. They can impersonate you and cause significant damage. Section 7. The high cost of hacking, real-world consequences. The consequences of social media hacking can be severe. Victims can suffer financial losses, reputational damage, and emotional distress. Hackers can drain bank accounts, steal identities, and ruin credit scores. For businesses, a hacked social media account can be devastating. It can damage their reputation, erode customer trust, and lead to financial losses. Hackers can use a company's social media account to spread misinformation, launch phishing attacks, or even disrupt their operations. The emotional toll of a hack can be significant. Victims may feel violated, angry, and helpless. They may struggle to regain control of their online identity and repair the damage. Section 8. Protecting yourself. Practical tips for online safety. Protecting your social media accounts requires vigilance and proactive measures. In today's digital age, our online presence is more significant than ever, making it crucial to safeguard our personal information. Here are some practical tips to enhance your online safety. These steps may seem simple, but they can make a big difference in protecting your data. Use strong, unique, and complex passwords for each account. A password manager can help you keep track of them. Don't use easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. These are often the first things hackers will try. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on all your accounts. This adds an extra layer of security. This makes it significantly harder for hackers to access your accounts, even if they have your password. Keep your operating systems, apps, and software updated. Regular updates are essential for maintaining security. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. Ignoring these updates can leave you exposed. Be wary of unsolicited emails, messages, or links. Phishing attacks are common and can be very convincing. Don't click on anything you don't trust. Always verify the source before taking any action. If something seems off, it probably is. Trust your instincts and err on the side of caution. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software on your devices. This is your first line of defense against malicious software. This helps protect you from malware infections. Regular scans can detect and remove threats before they cause harm. Section 9. Stay vigilant. The never-ending battle. The fight against social media hacking is a continuous process. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics, finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities and deceive users. Staying informed about the latest threats is crucial. Be cautious about what you share online. Think twice before posting personal information. Be mindful of your digital footprint. Remember that anything you post online can be used against you. By staying informed, being proactive, and taking appropriate security measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim of social media hacking.